Approximately 24 to 30 hours after fertilization, the zygote completes its first cell division. Through the process of mitosis, one cell splits into two, two into four, and so on. As early as 24 to 48 hours after fertilization begins, pregnancy can be confirmed by detecting a hormone called early pregnancy factor in the mother's blood. By 3 to 4 days after fertilization, the dividing cells of the embryo assume a spherical shape, and the embryo is called a morula. By 4 to 5 days, a cavity forms within this ball of cells, and the embryo is then called a blastocyst. The cells inside the blastocyst are called the inner cell mass, and give rise to the head, body, and other structures vital to the developing human. Cells within the inner cell mass are called embryonic stem cells because they have the ability to form each of the more than 200 cell types contained in the human body. After travelling down the uterine tube, the early embryo embeds itself into the inner wall of the mother's uterus. This process, called implantation, begins 6 days and ends 10 to 12 days after fertilization. Cells from the growing embryo begin to produce a hormone called human chorionic gonadotropin, or HCG, the substance detected by most pregnancy tests. HCG directs maternal hormones to interrupt the normal menstrual cycle, allowing pregnancy to continue. By 1 week, cells of the inner cell mass form two layers called the hypoblast and epiblast. The hypoblast gives rise to the yolk sac, which is one of the structures through which the mother supplies nutrients to the early embryo. Cells from the epiblast form a membrane called the amnion, within which the embryo and later the fetus develop until birth. By approximately 2.5 weeks, the epiblast has formed 3 specialized tissues or germ layers called ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. Ectoderm gives rise to numerous structures, including the brain, spinal cord, nerves, skin, nails, and hair. Endoderm produces the lining of the respiratory system and digestive tract, and generates portions of major organs such as the liver and pancreas. Mesoderm forms the heart, kidneys, bones, cartilage, muscles, blood cells, and other structures.